You may not know this, but it is legal to keep farm animals in the city. But the death of a horse this weekend in a backyard in Inglewood is renewing a push for stricter laws. CBS 2's Stephen Graves found there are people against sudden changes.
Now he's an outdoor rooster with his ladies.
Leonard and his ladies call this Bronzeville backyard home, and Julia Magnus with the Chicago Roo Crew wouldn't have it any other way.
Having animals in conditions like this as companions, as friends, we get to evolve our understanding of what companion animals can be.
But this freedom could be threatened after a renewed push for regulations on farm animals and livestock living like this. Yesterday, CBS 2 confronted a horse owner who says one of his 2 horses died in his yard after falling ill. He brought the animals into the city from his outside ranch. Animal Care and Control now say they found no signs of mistreatment. But last year, the department gave 6 citations for failure to have a license or vaccine records. The owner complied. Alderman Raymond Lopez was quick to call this incident neglect and abuse, spurred on by means of unorthodox city living.
It's leading to the situations like in my ward where we had over 100 chickens in a garage used for cockfighting. And more these animals are just not being cared for properly.
Now, his proposed legislation is being backed by multiple aldermen, a law that requires a $25 permit and mandates an animal limit for livestock owners. There's also a ban on roosters. Back when these changes were proposed last fall, Magnus says she nor any other groups really had the chance to sit down and discuss this with the aldermen.
Since then, we haven't any of us been contacted.
Other urban farming groups who say they do this responsibly claim that restrictions could impact their livelihoods, while Magnus just wants to keep her companion. In Bronzeville, Stephen Graves, CBS 2 News.
And it is legal to keep a horse in the city as long as it's licensed and properly cared for. The horse owner in this case was cited for not having vaccine records for the horse that's still alive.